Elon Musk says Optimus could be more valuable than Tesla's cars, more impactful than self-driving technology, and potentially change human civilization forever. But what can the Optimus robot actually do right now? And how close are we really to living alongside humanoid robots? Because depending on who you ask, Optimus is either the future of labor or just another overhyped tech demo. In this video, we're breaking down what Elon Musk's Optimus robot can really do, what it can't do yet, and why this robot might quietly become one of the most important inventions of our lifetime. Optimus, also known as the Tesla bot, was first revealed with skepticism. People laughed, memes flooded the internet, and critics said Tesla should focus on cars instead of robots. But behind the scenes, something serious was happening. Tesla wasn't building Optimus as a toy or a science experiment. They were building it as a general-purpose humanoid robot designed to do tasks humans don't want to do. The idea was simple but radical. Build a robot that looks like a human, moves like a human, and works in environments designed for humans. So what can Optimus actually do today? As of now, Optimus can walk steadily, maintain balance, pick up objects, sort items, carry loads, and perform repetitive tasks with increasing precision. It uses Tesla's advanced AI, vision systems, and neural networks originally built for self-driving cars. Instead of seeing the world through expensive sensors, Optimus relies primarily on cameras and software, learning how to understand its surroundings the same way humans do. One of the most impressive things about Optimus is how it learns. Tesla is training the robot using real-world data, simulations, and human demonstrations. Optimus can observe a task, learn the motion, and repeat it. Over time, it improves. This means it's not just following hard-coded instructions, it's adapting. That's a massive leap forward compared to traditional industrial robots that can only do one job in one controlled environment. Right now, Optimus is being tested in Tesla factories, performing tasks like carrying parts, organizing components, and assisting with logistics. These are boring, repetitive, physically demanding jobs that humans often avoid. Elon Musk has repeatedly said the goal is to make Optimus useful before making it impressive. Because usefulness is what scales. But here's where things get interesting. Optimus is not being designed only for factories. Elon Musk envisions this robot eventually working in homes. Cooking simple meals, cleaning, taking out trash, watering plants, assisting the elderly, and even running errands. This is where the conversation shifts from cool robot to society-changing technology. If Optimus succeeds, it could completely redefine labor. Imagine a future where physical work is optional, where dangerous jobs, exhausting shifts, and repetitive tasks are handled by robots. Productivity could skyrocket, costs could drop, entire industries could change overnight. And that's exactly why Optimus scares people. The biggest concern is jobs. If a humanoid robot can do warehouse work, factory work, cleaning, and basic service tasks, millions of jobs could be disrupted. Elon Musk argues that abundance will increase so much that humans won't need to compete with robots. Critics argue the transition could be chaotic, painful, and unequal. There are also safety concerns. A humanoid robot with strength, mobility, and autonomy raises serious questions. Tesla claims Optimus is designed with safety first, limited strength, slow movements compared to humans, and strict control systems. Musk has said humans should always be able to overpower the robot. But trust will take time. Then there's the timeline. Elon Musk is famous for aggressive predictions. While Optimus is improving rapidly, it's not ready to replace humans tomorrow. Fine motor skills, complex reasoning, and full autonomy in unpredictable environments are still major challenges. But the progress is real, and it's accelerating fast. What makes Optimus different from other robots is scale. Tesla knows how to manufacture at massive scale, reduce costs, and improve products through software updates. If Optimus reaches mass production, it won't be a $200,000 robot for labs. It could eventually be affordable enough for businesses and even households. The real question isn't whether Optimus will work perfectly tomorrow. The real question is what happens when it works well enough. Because once a humanoid robot becomes cheaper than human labor, more reliable, and available 24/7, the world changes permanently. Elon Musk believes Optimus could lead to a future of abundance where goods and services become incredibly cheap and accessible. Whether that future is utopian or dangerous depends on how society adapts. If this video made you rethink the future of robots and work, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you want an Optimus robot in your home, or does that idea still feel uncomfortable? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, because the future isn't just coming, it's walking toward us.